In today's digital age, social media has become an integral part of our lives. It has transformed the way we connect, share information, and engage with others. Among the various social media platforms available, Twitter stands out as a powerful tool for real-time conversations and community engagement. One particular feature that has gained popularity in recent years is Twitter chats. These organized discussions allow users to come together around a specific topic or theme using a designated hashtag. If you haven't tapped into the potential of Twitter chats yet, you're missing out on an unparalleled opportunity to connect with your community. The problem: missing out on valuable conversations. As a business owner or community manager, your primary objective is to establish meaningful connections with your target audience. However, without leveraging platforms like Twitter chats, it can be challenging to effectively engage and interact with your community members. Imagine this scenario. Your brand launches a new product or service that could potentially benefit many people within your niche market. You want to spread awareness about it and gather feedback from potential customers. While traditional marketing methods may help reach some individuals, they lack the interactive element necessary for building relationships and fostering trust among consumers. The rationale: the power of community engagement. By participating in Twitter chats related to your industry or niche market, you unlock several benefits that can significantly impact your brand's growth. Increased visibility. When you actively participate in relevant conversations through Twitter chats using targeted hashtags related to your industry or niche market keywords, e.g., #digital marketing, more people will discover and follow you. Thought leadership positioning. By sharing valuable insights during these chat sessions regularly, you establish yourself as an authority figure within your field. Building relationships. Engaging directly with participants allows you to build genuine connections based on shared interests and experiences. Gathering feedback. Through these discussions, you can gain valuable insights and feedback from your target audience, helping you improve your products or services. Expanding reach. When participants find value in your contributions during Twitter chats, they are more likely to retweet and share your insights with their own followers, expanding your brand's reach even further. The how. Steps to harness the potential of Twitter chats. Now that we understand the importance of Twitter chats for community engagement, let's dive into how you can effectively harness their potential. Identify relevant chats. Start by researching and identifying Twitter chats related to your industry or niche market. Look for popular hashtags used during these discussions and note down the schedule for each chat. Observe before participating. Before jumping into a conversation, take some time to observe how participants engage with one another. Pay attention to the tone, topics discussed, and overall dynamics of the chat. Prepare engaging content. Come prepared with insightful content that aligns with the chat's theme. Craft tweets that provide value while incorporating relevant hashtags. This will help attract attention from other participants. Engage authentically. During the chat session, actively engage with other participants by responding to their questions or comments. Be genuine in your interactions and avoid sounding overly promotional. Follow up after the chat ends. Once a Twitter chat concludes, don't let it be a one-time interaction. Follow up with individuals who resonated with your insights through direct messages or by following them on social media platforms. The takeaways. To summarize our discussion on harnessing the potential of Twitter chats for unparalleled community engagement. Participating in relevant Twitter chats helps increase visibility and establish thought leadership within your industry. Engaging directly with participants allows you to build genuine relationships based on shared interests. Gathering feedback from these conversations helps improve products, services based on customer needs. By sharing valuable insights during these discussions regularly, you expand your brand's reach. Follow the steps mentioned above to effectively harness the potential of Twitter chats. In conclusion, Twitter chats offer an exceptional opportunity for community engagement that should not be overlooked. By actively participating in these discussions, you can build meaningful connections with your target audience, establish yourself as a thought leader in your industry, and gain valuable insights to improve your products or services. Embrace the power of Twitter chats today and unlock unparalleled community engagement.